Ever watched dark clouds roll in and felt the first cool drops on your skin? Where does that rain actually come from? In this episode of Amazing Planet, we'll break down how sunlight, rising air, and tiny particles in the sky team up to make raindrops. Featuring familiar USA patterns like Florida's afternoon storms and the Pacific Northwest's steady rain. It starts with the sun heating oceans, lakes, and even wet ground. Water evaporates, turning into invisible vapor that mixes with the air. Warm, moist air rises and cools. As it cools to its dew point, water vapor begins to condense into tiny droplets. This is the birth of a cloud. Condensation needs a surface. Tiny particles like dust, sea salt, and smoke, called condensation nuclei, give vapor something to cling to. Inside the cloud, droplets grow. In warm clouds they collide and merge. In colder clouds, ice crystals form and grow before melting into raindrops on the way down. Updrafts inside the cloud can keep droplets suspended. When droplets become heavy enough to overcome those rising winds, gravity wins, and rain falls. Weather setups matter. In the USA, sea breeze collisions fuel daily summer downpours in Florida, while mountains in the Pacific Northwest squeeze moisture from incoming storms, producing frequent rain. That fresh rain smell is called petrichor. It's earthy oils and natural compounds kicked into the air by falling raindrops. So the next time you hear raindrops on the window, remember the sun, the sky, and a billion tiny droplets working together. Subscribe to Amazing Planet for more easy science you can feel in real life.